So all at the one with the iPad chat off, there's this one youth we always go like him bad. We always say Alkaline say, yo youth, no way I do you know. Cause me mash you up. Anytime I see him, I go mash you up. That one there always go like him bad. iPad chat tough. When you see Alkaline step over there, what am I saying? All thing I have to do, I get up and cut. Left in 19. You shake your mouth.
Yeah, me a loser for humans, you know?
I'm one of them loser Benz Kickstarter represent for dancehall too.
No, big one thing. I pray if you gonna move to a different planet or something.
Here we go. What is up, people? You don't know. It's your boy Keem. Welcome back to another reaction banger. Alright guys, so today we are gonna react to Alkaline. Nah, tell you, brother. Who never listen to tell you yet? Me never listen to words fully, but me the me a reason of me general in the WhatsApp group. Shout out to your dog, and dog highlight some point to me and I say, yo, you know me have to go react to that song right now. People don't know some of the thing they see me, so you don't know who pass somebody have to react to for boss. Get me and say, so guys, what you know? Follow me Instagram and say on screen up with some people. Yeah, so guess what now? We are gonna jump straight in a day. Nah, tell you, yo boy, me nah tell you. You know what they make a mistake for beer run up on. You don't know, a mad move. Peace out. Torture. Ush move. Don't know what he said. Oh! We'll kick it off right now. Yeah, people. Yes, the way killers, man. Listen to the skill, you see me? Dog, I say, yo, anything, then try, but we never win. Holocaust. Dog, we never imagine something about Holocaust before. You see me? Holocaust mean destructive, you see me? Whole heap of deadly destruction, you see me? Everything about it with a deadly. You see me I say? Yeah, that's a Holocaust, you see me? Holocaust when we go war. Though we are see how that song go because we never react to it though. Who don't feel like saying no bad? Run up on it done. You see me? If you make a mistake, feel brave, run up on my spend shell. Can't run up on a man and expect your dog never gun. You see me? And your dog not take it out and put it for you. You run up on a man, you can't run up on it down so. You see me? I have to think twice, though. This is right. Man basically say, oh, we're not untouchable. You see me? We are mortal. You see me? Man I say, we never say we can't. We never say you can't do a thing, you know. But remember, if you do something, you have to go with me like jelly. We never look on a jelly and see how well jelly is just flexible. That's how the brain will look like, you see me? Well jelly. Alright. So the dog say, oh, crime scene tape or fell on the dogs and pass through. Alright, so whenever you know war it, or whenever they want a spot where it is just like it's a crime scene part, you see me? The place just done in a one heap of state of emergency. So you don't know when the man pass through this, so a crime scene tape or feel this. So. You get what me I say? That's how deadly. You see me? That's how I'm gonna left your body this because nobody can pass it so because the place is already in a crime scene though. Yeah. Yeah. Man I say yo, not at all you can't hurt pan the man. Man just wanna say they not hurt no ear pan my skin, not even a ear for cringe pan the man's skin though. Just know say yo, if you make a mistake, spend jail though. Make we go further and say nah tell you. When the man say yo, pray and you not get no retribution for film sin. Alright. You know say yo, it's hard for the right thing though. When the whole heap of man on fire. You understand? Say, he must continue kill. Because you know, so whole heap of man on fire. I'm saying, can't back down. If you back down and kill him. You understand? So all them sin there, when kill him and them, they know, you know, want his sin passed down to youth. So I pray to God, say, none of them sin there, where they pan him, pass down to youth. Logics. Man, I say, yo, pull up with InShot and tranquilize him. You don't know what tranquilizer though. Just put it on your shock out, rotted and unconscious. That the man say, yo, pull up on him neatly and tranquilize him. So the man, they go all laps, gears and everything. He never know until Alka pass. You see me? Man, I say, yo, Should have seen face and get boomy and timid. Man, I say, yo, dark and wicked. Man, mind dark. After I pull up on the youth, dog I say, yo, look where dark face get boomy. You gotta start moving like a big girl, though. Start ball like a little youth, though. Yeah. Yo, yeah, dog in the players. Man, I say, yo, up out of the pro box and catch you full of play skimmage. Who never play skimmage, who never play a ball game it. And a skimmage goal. 2 stone over there, so 5 walking this, 5 feet length. The next one a 5 feet length. You understand? Man, I say, yo, 4-piece stream chess and ball game. Finish here them players there. Everything done after them done playing skimmage though. Man, I say, yo, it's a little goal when a little ball game, when I play little skimmage ball game, I hype them a live off, you see me, them a gimmicks. All this them a go on them on nobody. You understand? But every enemy them a play ball now. And when the dog step over, everything I get diminished. Diminish means to take out and destroy. You understand? Look up that. Never say can't be a thing, but head of figure shape like jello. Just know say head of figure shape like jello, though. Make it go further night, though. Murder them and murder fellow. Man, I say, yo, you know the Glock, circle the block to make an attack. Remember, you know, if I watch some show, right? And everybody over there line off on the block. For instance, Black A and Black B are things. And Black A go for go over Black B man. But Black B man, them zone out. Man say, yo, the circle Black B if you go make an attack. Say, don't know, say, yo, if I look at you run out, I could have look at toddler run out, anybody run out, your dog I tell them. Just know that. Say, if I look at toddler run out, he must go drop. Because dog now drive from Black A come a Black B and expect say I gas in my waist. Man now making gas go so something have to drop. See my tell you say Black B was lapsing. Say your Alka say your same thing. They would have pre if Black A was lapsing. Though Black A lapsing, no. Black B a lapse, but just call Alka them not lapse and step over Black B. So if Black B never lapse and Alka them would have lapse over upon that side there, I said things that pre no, they not gonna waste them gas. If you go over Black A and take out something, if something run out, they wanna take it out. Better know say if you bucky man one away, but I feel like say man no got him strap. Man strap it. Man strap down for anybody who come from the side they want to come take him out. You understand? Man say bucky him one away, and I feel say me no got it. Who never walk in a nice scheme yet? You understand the schemes are quiet. You don't know say oh certain man on the scheme side they man all can agree. You understand or them man smart in agree. And man say alright, step up in the scheme is a murder scene. Everybody get up on the scheme there. A murder scene though. Step up in the scheme is a murder scene. Oh you hear them rhyme there? When you hear them rhyme there though. Scheme, murder scene. General. So all of the one with the iPod chat off, there's this one youth we always go like him bad. We always say, I can say, yo youth, no way I do you know. Cause me mash you up. Anytime I see him, I go mash you up. That one there always go like him bad. iPod chat tough. When you see all of them step over there, what am I saying? All thing I have to do, I get up and cut. Left in 19. You shake your mouth warrior. Talk is cheap. Action, everything is expensive one. Just make a mistake and you feel like you're brave and run up on the man and say something. You get a special though. Just a lick off piece of your face. But the head of figure shape like jello. Mash. To a dog I walk neat. You not even expect not even a little toddler can walk so neat. With the gun on anything arm. No man I walk so the gun on anything arm I go on. Walk neat though. Yeah, just imagine that. Nobody na live the expel you. When they ever the high school it, and they say some you do some terrible things to some other students, and they get expelled, that means say then nah come back to the school eh? Expel means to take out. So you don't know say anything a dog fine, I will take you out, I will get expelled. You nah come back here so. Yo, nah tell her, oh me never get to react to nah tell her. Like what? Yo, nah tell her bad dog. So people, we don't tell a reaction to make me know. Tell me what you think in the comment section. I don't know. Peace out.